Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a free private server in Fish It Roblox. So if you guys are tired of players stealing your fishing spot or laying out your game, in today's video I'm going to show you the exact steps to set up a free private server in Fish It. So what you need to do is just click on Fish It. Don't click on play, but click on the Fish It logo or game on the Roblox homepage, and then you can just scroll down until you see the server options. Click on servers, and in here, as you guys can see, I already have my own private servers. It's free, so you can just click on create private servers, but I already created one, so I cannot click on create private server again. But you can just basically click on the create private server and then just name your server, and just like that you can just click on join to open your private server in Fish It. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.